Good morning, everybody. So much better. Karibuni sana. Welcome to the Hearth Summit, Nairobi. My name is Edwin Masharia. I'm a co-founder and managing partner of Axum, which was founded on the ethos that there is incredible wisdom, knowledge, capability, ability, and capacity on the African continent, not just to solve our own problems, but to solve the world's problems.
How do people make sense of well-being from a perspective that's grounded in their own culture, in their own language, in their own history?
The model of justice did not incorporate any wellness.
Only a person who has been incarcerated truly understands another person who's been incarcerated.
So Kenyans, it's high time that we confronted our traumatic experience.
Your country will kill your hopes. It will dip you in deep frustration. It will kill every chance of you making something out of yourself. And after it's done, it will kill any voice that tries to tell your story.
When we go back to the vision of those who fought and died for Africa, we start to heal.
In life, you just need to see the next step. And then the next step will be revealed to you, and the next step. And that's the journey of life.
Faith is important for you, and justice is important for you. So find your people.
And whatever you're looking to address, try and go to the most proximate person to that problem, to work with them and to partner with them to be able to actually find the right solution.
Body, soul, and mind is a union, gelled together.
Body, mind, soul, they need to be taken care of, they need to be connected.
My well-being and my mental health should be my number one priority because it's the basis of everything.
You should embrace adversity. We should look at it as, part of the journey and not really fight it, but feel it, but also tap from it and move forward.
We found the sessions very, very engaging, and we loved that people actually loved playing with flowers and they were very happy.
Really, I think the key thing was getting to bond with a very diverse group of change makers, whether they're the boomers, the Gen Zers, people in media, people in corporate, people who are social activists, people in the creative industry.
In all the different conversations you've been part of, what's a thing that you can do differently? What's a choice you can make that's different? And how does that ripple effect go much further? Some of it will be in partnership, some of it will be just for you, some of it will just be you and your children. It almost doesn't matter, but pick a thing, pick a place, and begin. So that by the next time we gather again, whenever we gather again, assuming we all have energy to gather again, we can say actually the world is slightly different.